You guys know what parks on this side of the garage, but do you know what's on the other side?
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brussels Rides. I'm Matt here again. We are on our way. Look at your GoPro, yeah. So guys, today we have a bittersweet video. We're gonna go look at a GT350, and who knows what'll happen. Let's go check it out. Are you gonna drive? You guys want to go look at the 350? Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna go look at this 350. Let's go check it out. Yeah, you guys know something serious is happening because I never take this car in the rain ever, and yeah, we're getting wet. Got to get a couple more pulls in, guys. Had this car for 5.5 years, 66,000 miles, and it's done everything I've ever wanted to do with it. So we just went through a monsoon, but that's all right. We're here, and we're gonna take out this Performance Blue GT350. Let's talk about this car a little bit. One of the things I noticed right off the back is the 295s up front, which is wider than my rear tire stock on my Boss. It's pretty amazing. It's running 305s on the back. They changed the wheel for 2019s. As you can see, it's got the aluminum centers of the rotors, like for less rotational mass, but you still got these massive rotors in there. I believe you're housing some, yeah, there's a trans cooler in there, I believe. Let's pop this hood. Got functional heat extractors.
Whoa!
Oh, the previous owner of this one put on Redline tuning hood struts, which is a must in these cars for sure.
I like this car.
You see that functional heat extractor allowing some water in there, and they did a good job detailing this car.
This car making me play with
She is really pretty. But we got the 5.2 liter flat plane crank V8. This motor's putting out 526 horsepower, and it coupled with that Tremec transmission, which is we all wish we had that in there. Very basic valve covers. It's a super clean engine, guys. Very basic looking, but super clean. This car's only got 9,000 miles. Let's hop inside real quick. I'm gonna hop in.
Hey, it's got the GT door knob, like that first floor too.
All right, we're in the 350. Oh my gosh, the seat, the bolstering is ridiculous. I can't even, oh, it's not even 9,000 miles, there's 8,000 miles. If you're a larger individual like me, you're not going anywhere in this car. So let's make sure we're in, do a little neutral check. Let's start her up. Exhaust is amazing. This is the sport mode. It is super deep. This sounds really good. Let's go ahead and shut her. Let's take her for a spin. How many times do you guys see a test drive of a 350 with a car seat?
About never.
We're in the GT350. You guys ready to go for a test ride?
Yeah.
You gotta test ride it with a car seat, guys. Come on, who doesn't have a 350 with a car seat in it. Just for all you people who think you got to sell your sports cars, your muscle cars because you have kids. I got 3 kids. This is how you do it right here. All right, we're gonna make it happen. All right, so really nice. All the 19s and up now come with this 8-inch display. It's beautiful. And I love the carbon fiber dash, the exposed carbon fiber, which is a new option in the 19s. And that, like we talked about, you got the rear diffuser. It's a new design for better airflow, but they also had the option of the gurney flap to probably do more downforce, but the redesigned spoiler is more streamlined. There we go.
We're ready. Whoa. This is cool.
Give us minutes.
Here.
Fill me minutes. So that's a completely new feeling, shifting the Tremec. Definitely feels more secure than the MT82. But I got the short throw shifter from MGW, which actually cleans up a lot of that. Yeah, we probably won't get to rev it out, guys, because of the fact that it's all wet. It sounds good though.
Why does it sound like?
Because it's a 5.2 flat plane crank V8, which means that the crank lines up straight, has a very distinct sound. One of the awesome things is when the Boss came out, guys, it was the high revving V8. It was 7,500 RPM, which was unheard of in 2012. And the 350 took it up to a whole nother level at 8,250. I mean, it is ridiculous. Like we haven't even touched it because the ground's so wet. Let's see if we can get some exhaust notes out of this thing. So the 350 definitely seems like the modern version of the Boss with you know, it's got newer tech, but it's still no nonsense. Like there's no frills to the doors or anything like that. You do have the fancy 8-inch display, but other than that, there's really no special features in here. I do like the steering wheel controls. You got more than I have in the Boss, but you know, with time comes new tech, guys. It just gets better. Let's get some raw exhaust noise. One more. Oh man, this car is a beaut, guys. A real beaut. It's a Moore Buick GMC in Jacksonville, North Carolina, and I can't thank them enough for giving me the opportunity to test drive one of my dream cars. Oh my gosh, it sounds amazing. We are being very conservative, guys. There are wet roads and I got my boys in the car. But you guys having fun?
Yeah.
What do you want, this or a Boss? Oh, you want this? Layton wants this, guys. Not going to test out the grip and the turns in this thing, guys, just because the roads are so wet. It wouldn't be smart, not responsible, so we're just we're going to enjoy what we can while we can. We'll get one more good pull in. She giddy ups, guys. She gets going. So one thing, this is the first Shelby I've ever driven. Back in the day when I got the Boss 302, guys, I was going to look at an 08 or 09, I can't remember, GT500. Saw the Boss on the lot. I didn't even drive the Shelby. Now I'm finally getting an opportunity to drive a Shelby. And again, I do want to thank Moore Buick GMC for giving me this opportunity, guys. So this car is for sale. Again, less than 9,000 miles. Go check it out if you're in the market for a new Shelby. And it's perfect. It runs great. It's a gorgeous interior. Comes with all the cool features that I'd want in my Shelby, including the gurney flap and the carbon fiber interior. What do you guys think? You think we should get one day? Yeah. All right. Well, they want us to get one day. We're gonna go park this thing and we'll look it over a little bit more.
Wow. Oh, good boy. Oh boy, he's coming close. Oh, it's loud. Yeah.
So this car is beautiful. It still rocks the old style S550 headlights, unlike the 2019 GTs. But like we said, you do have that trans-cooler. They changed the grille a little bit, I believe, from the other 350s. Talked about the newer style wheels, the aluminum inserts in the rotors for lighter rotational mass. Link, get buckled. And we got the new redesigned spoiler for better airflow with the optional gurney flap for more downforce. So you got better airflow and more downforce. It's fully functional. And this performance blue looks gorgeous on this car. I apologize to the dealership for getting her a little dirty in the rain, but she sounds nasty. I guess I know who's getting the Boss 302 when the time comes.
I getting it.
Oh, looks like it. We'll see. I don't have this car, so how are you getting this car if I don't have it? At the end of the day, this is a beautiful car, great piece of machinery, engineering. I love it. I want one day, but I can't just do it today, guys. I can't do it, not with what's going on in my career right now. So we'll maybe one day we'll have a Shelby. Let me phrase that. One day we will have a Shelby, but it'll be in addition to the Boss 302. Maddox, do you want me to get rid of the Boss? No. Maddox says no, don't get rid of the Boss. So we're gonna keep it. But this is a beautiful car. I love it. So if you're definitely looking, guys, if you're in the market for GT350, come check them out at Moore Buick GMC here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. You guys know what parks on this side of the garage, but do you know what's on the other side? Okay guys, so everybody wants to know what is on the other side of the garage. So we're gonna show you. You ready? Let's go. It's the Boss, guys. Come on, you guys know me better. If you've been watching my channel for a while, guys, I can't get rid of this car. One day we will have a Shelby for sure, but it's not gonna be today. This car means so much to me. It's really, in my opinion, it's the last of the raw ponies to drive. I just love the way it drives. You know, it's not the fastest anymore. It's 10 years old, but it is an amazing vehicle, and I love it. That Shelby is a great car, and one day I definitely want one, but just not right now. Hopefully that doesn't upset too many people though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video out. We got more Mustang content coming soon, guys. Got some parts coming in for the Fox body. I got the Fox body idle fix. That's coming. You guys will see what's wrong there. Can't wait to bring that to you. The other reason I'm not selling this, you guys know my kids. Maddox is obsessed with this car. Leighton says he wants me to sell it and get the 350, but you know what? If I sold it, I guarantee you when he gets like to high school age where he's driving and he goes back and he sees all the great times we had with this car and their little minis, that he'd be like, Dad, I can't believe you sold that car. And I'd be like, well, you know, you told me to. So, you know, we're not going to do that. We're just going to keep this thing and keep saving down the road, and hopefully one day we'll pick up a Shelby as well. That's going to do it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Brailsford's Rides. That being said, I'm out, guys.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new song.
It's cool. I got a matching toy car as this car. It's got black stripes on it. But it's a GT350. Yeah, the old one was pretty neat. Yeah, the old GT350 was amazing. How they put the stripes on it. And now the new one, I really like the performance blue. Pretty neat.
Set your affirmations, aspirations.